Hi guys, this is BV. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how I created this soft pink angled French with glitter on the other side, focusing on smooth gel polish layering. I already prepped my nails off camera. That includes applying nail tips, shaping, buffing, and a base coat. Now, I'm by drawing angled guidelines on the nails. This helps me map out the diagonal French design and keeps the application clean and precise. Next is the most important step, gel polish layering. I'm starting with a very thin first coat of pink gel, applying it only within the angled section. Keep the layer light and controlled. Don't try to get full coverage right away. Then cure it properly. For the second coat, I'm again applying a thin layer, carefully following the angled line. This helps build opacity while keeping the edges sharp and clean. Moving on to the third coat, the color starts to look more even and defined. I'm using smooth, one-directional strokes to avoid streaks and maintain that crisp, angled shape. For the fourth coat, I'm refining the surface. If I noticed any unevenness or tiny bubbles, I lightly buff the nails before applying another thin layer, then cure again. Now the fifth coat brings everything together. The color looks rich, smooth, and perfectly aligned with the angled design. Cure it one last time. Once I'm happy with the base, I apply a top coat and cure it to seal the color. Now for the glitter detail. I'm applying glitter on the remaining top area, right along the angled line. This creates a soft but eye-catching angled French effect. Then cure it. Finally, I'm sealing everything with one last glossy top coat for a smooth and long, lasting finish. And that's the final look, clean soft pink angled French with a subtle glitter touch. Let me know if you want a matte version.